This question belongs to operating system subject and was asked in GATE 1991. So the question states, match the pairs in the following questions by writing the corresponding letters only. So list A contains, list 1 contains body system, interpretation, pointer data type and virtual memory. And list 2 contains runtime specification, segmentation, memory allocation and garbage collection. Let me tell you each of them one by one. So what is a buddy system? Buddy system is used for memory allocation. Suppose we have a process list coming, like we have a process of size 50K, we have a process of size 20K, we have a process of size 10K, we have a process of size 13K. So how do we allocate memory? So in buddy system, we keep memory as a complete block. So let us suppose it's 100K. Now when a new memory comes, we at runtime only we divide it into half part. So we have 50K and 50K. And then we start allocating from bottom part. So 50K is allocated over here. Then we 20K comes. So again we divide it into two parts of 25K and 25K. Then again we try to divide it of 12.5K and 12.5K. But 20K won't come over here. So we don't divide it in that case. We will keep it like this and put our 20K over here. 20K will come over here and this will get wasted. Then we have 10K. So we will try to divide it 25K into two halves, 12.5K and 12.5K, and put 10K over here and 2.5K will get wasted. Now 13K can't be allotted. So we are basically dividing at runtime. So buddy system is basically used for memory allocation. And we can also have runtime specifications. We can have option P as well as option R for this. Now let us see if we are able to resolve the contradiction or not. Let us see other options. Interpretation. So there are basically two terms, compilation and interpretation. So suppose we are converting our high level language to machine language or zeros or ones. So in compilation, we convert the entire code at once into zeros and ones using compiler as our program. And in interpretation, we scan the lines one by one of a program and convert each of the lines into its equivalent machine code and check for the error. So it's basically done at runtime. So interpretation is basically mapped to runtime, which is option P. So here we can easily see that B is mapped to option P, so A is mapped to option R. Memory allocation. Now we have pointer data type. So what is a pointer data type? Pointer is nothing but pointer is a variable which is basically used to store address of another variable. Let us suppose we have a variable PTR. It is a pointer variable and it stores address of a variable A which has address 1000. Pointer has address 2000. It has value 10. If PTR stores at value 1000, then A is a normal variable, and it is a pointer variable. So pointer variable. So what happens during garbage collection? Suppose this is dynamic memory allocation. It occurs in heap. At runtime, we are doing dynamic memory allocation. Suppose we are creating nodes for linked list. So the memory will be allotted in heap. Suppose we are creating nodes and creating. But there are some languages like Java and C++ in which there are garbage collectors. So how these garbage collectors work is that how will they come to know like they had to remove a node or not. Like it might be possible that we are using a node. So they will remove a node in the case when there is no pointer pointing to that node. So pointer can be basically used for garbage collection. So C is mapped to option S. Now we have virtual memory. So I will explain you this concept with the help of a diagram. So refer to this diagram. So what is a virtual memory? Suppose nowadays you can see we have 10 GB of games, 20 GB of games, and when we want to run a program we need to bring it to our RAM. But nowadays mostly we are using 4 GB RAM or generally 8 GB RAM. So we can't bring the entire program, so we divide it into different parts. In segmentation we divide it into different segments. So this is our logical address space, or we can say virtual memory. Virtual memory means we assume that it can be occupied entirely in the RAM, but it's not the case. Here we divide our virtual memory into segments, and these segments will be brought to main memory, And the logical address space to physical address space mapping can be done with the help of segment table. Here we have segment number and offset. So using, and the address of this is present in segment table base register, which is a register of our processor. So virtual memory is basically, why is it used? It is used for segmentation. So option Q. So correct mapping is R, P, S and Q.